Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Thanksgiving is coming, it's tomorrow. So, I prepped my chicken, I made a candied yam casserole. I kind of did that off camera because I was kind of experimenting with it. And got my vegetables ready. But now, it's pie. One kind of pie that my dad and I has always loved while we were living in Florida, which was easy. You can go to the grocery store, get it frozen, shove it in the oven, you're good to go. Now, can't find it anywhere. When he passed away, it's like disappeared. So, the favorite pie is pumpkin custard pie. Have to excuse my kittens, they're a little rambunctious today. So, I got some stuff set up in the kitchen. And we're going to get started. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Normally, we're always doing projects outside, but this is a special occasion. Let's get going. Okay, so what I got is a 29 ounces of pumpkin puree. What I got in this thing here is, let me get my list here. I got 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, which is pretty strong smell. And what we're going to do, no. We're going to mix up the eggs. We need 4 large eggs, which I just happen to have right here. We're using my KitchenAid mixer. Now, most people make pies, they use a whisk. No, I'm too tired. After today, I'm at 82 appliances. I'm pooped from putting them up. 3 and 4. These are not quite room temperature. I didn't have enough time when I got home. So, we're going to mix that up real quick. Mixed up pretty well. So we're going to take our pumpkin. Going to pour it in here. Now, I got a little kind of a twist on this recipe. I thought about it, and I don't know how well it'll work, but we're going to try it anyways. So, got that in there. Got all this. I'm going to put in there. We're going to mix this up a little bit. We're going to make sure you scrape the edges, get it down in there. Okay. Now, recipe, I want to go for the classic, but I also want the custard part. So you got the eggs. So now we're going to add some. They wanted 2 cans, but I only had 1, so I'm going to have to offset it with the sugar. So I got sweetened condensed milk. We're going to pour that in here. that's going to add some sweetness to the pie. Okay. We're going to mix that up a little bit. And while that's mixing, I'm going to offset the 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm only going to add a little less than half. Like that. Alright, while it's mixing, we got 2 cans of evaporated milk. Darn, I went the wrong way. Oh well. You know, kitchens, we're going to have messes either way. Okay. Here I have the flan mix. Flan, whatever you want to call it. It has such a sweet smell to it. So we're going to pour that in here. Just one thing. We're not using the caramel. And we're going to add the rest of the evaporated milk. So, I'm going to let this mix a while. We'll be right back. Okay. As you can see, it's well blended. You have to excuse my kitten. Get away from my camera. Go. So, when you're mixing this, be sure you preheat your oven to 425. Then once it gets there, then they want you to reduce it down to 350 degrees. So, I'm going to take this thing off so you can get it washed up. These beaters are way easy to clean up over the regular beaters like you see. So we're going to wipe this thing off to the side here. Okay. So, let me see. So the oven is ready to go. I got the, so cook time is 35 to 45 minutes. Now I have a gas range, and in some cases it's really hard to determine on how it cooks, because it doesn't cook evenly. So I'm just going to loosen this thing up and pour the mixture in here. These are uncooked, store-bought pie shells. You know, guys, I might have to make another pie shell. But, so, I'm going to put these into the oven. Over there. Hopefully, without spilling it. Very carefully. Take your time. Don't rush. Set it on there. And set your timer. We're going to go 35 minutes to start. And when we come back, we'll see what the pie looks like. All right, everyone. It's been an hour. And it's actually done. So let's take them out. Now, I actually had enough to make 3 pies. So we're going to get these out quick first. As long as we're making a different type of pie, I won't be making a video on that. And that's pie number 2. So, already stuck the knife in and came out clean. And I did that in the middle. So, that's how I made the pie. I was a little leery because I never made it before. But, so guys, I was only going to make 2, but I had more than enough to make 3. But not ugh to make 4. And that's okay. I'm good with that. So, now I got 3 pumpkin custard pies for Thanksgiving. Who knows? May even take 1 to work on Black Friday. Yeah, not looking forward to that. But in Paris, Tennessee, it's not like a great big city. People are still going to run around, rush it, just crazy. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope to see you here next time on Lynn's Homestead. And happy Thanksgiving. Have an awesome day. God bless.